30 daily habits that will transform your life for the better. Building a better life doesn't always require huge changes. Often, modest, consistent habits can have the most significant impact on your life. Here are 30 daily habits that can enhance your mental, physical, and emotional wellness. 1. Early morning waking. Gain extra time to start your day with a sense of calm and purpose. 2. Makes your bed a straightforward task that sets a positive tone for your day. 3. Practice gratitude. Write down 3 things you're grateful for each day. 4. Drink an abundance of water. Start your day with a fresh glass to rehydrate and energize. 5. Consume a healthy breakfast. Provide your body and mind the essential energy. 6. Engage in regular exercise. Incorporate even just 15 to 30 minutes of physical activity twice a week. 7. Meditate or practice mindfulness. Establish a peaceful central focus and reduce daily stress. 8. Set daily goals. Prioritize your most important tasks and focus your energy on them. 9. Engage in daily reading. Provide your mind with fresh ideas and perspectives. 10. Limit your screen time. Practice being intentional with your use of technology. 11. Declutter your space. Maintain a tidy and calm environment. 12. Take deep breaths. Step back during stressful moments to reset your body. 13. Walks outside. Sunlight and fresh air have natural, mood-boosting properties. 14. Eat mindfully. Recognize what you're eating and how you're consuming it. 15. Avoid multitasking. Focus on one task at a time to improve productivity. 16. Engage in listening. Show genuine interest in others and develop stronger relationships. 17. Express kindness. Do something kind for another person each day. 18. Keep a gratitude journal. Reflect on your growth and achievements. 19. Avoid gossiping. Respect your privacy and integrity by avoiding chit-chat. 20. Stick to a daily routine. Establish a structure that helps build consistency. 21. Practice self-care. Allocate time for your well-being. 22. Celebrate small successes. Recognize and encourage progress. 23. Laugh or find humor in life. It's a natural healer. 24. Spend time offline. Reconnect with the world around you by taking breaks away from technology. 25. Limit sugar and processed foods. Choose balanced food options that nourish your body. 26. Visualize your goals. Keep your dreams vibrant and achievable. 27. Choose forgiveness. Let go of past resentment and protect your peace. 28. Review your day. Assess what worked well and what didn't. 29. Plan for the day ahead. Lay out clothes and organize your tasks. 30. Descend to solid sleep. Rest well in 8-9 hours nightly for renewed energy. These habits may seem small, but collectively, they create a robust foundation for a healthier, more fulfilling life. Start with a few and gradually build on them over time. Change doesn't happen overnight. It comes from the small choices you make each day. Subscribe, follow, like, comment.